everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be discussing about dictionaries. We will be starting with a new topic. Before we start with this new topic, let's discuss what we have done in our previous module. So guys, in our previous module, we learned about tuples, that what are tuples, we applied some functions to it. We learned how we can convert a tuple into a list and convert it back to tuples after applying the list methods to it. We also solved some problems related to the tuples. Now today onwards, we will be starting with a new topic, that is the dictionary. Let's understand what are dictionaries in Python.
Before that, if you want to become a successful data analyst and if you want to learn from our experts live, then you can call on the given number or you can fill the form that is provided in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free.
So guys, dictionary allows us to write the data in the form of keys and values. So guys, how to write a dictionary is very simple. There are certain rules that we need to follow. First rule is, let's say I'm creating a dictionary A. So guys, dictionary is created inside a curly brackets. Whenever we write a dictionary, we write them inside the curly brackets. Now, as I said, the dictionary allows us to write the data, to provide the data in the form of keys and values. Let's see what are keys and values. Basically, inside the dictionary, we can write the data in two parts, that is in the form of a keys and values. Let's see how it can be done. So, let's say I'm creating a key over here, that is name, and a value of it as, let's say, John. Right. So here name over here is a key and it is separated by a colon in between, and here John here is a value. What if I want to write more keys and values to it? All I need to do is I'll put a comma and provide it with a pair of a next key value. So let's say I'll write age. The age of John is 23. Okay. If I want another key value pair over here, let's say gender. The gender of John is male. And here I will be closing my curly brackets. So this is how a dictionary is written down. Here name, age and gender are the keys, and John, 23 and male are the values. Each key and value is separated with the help of a colon, and every pair of a key value is separated with the help of a comma over here. These are some rules of writing a dictionary. Now let's see how it can be written in a Python, and let's print it as well. So guys, I'll be using the same example over here, that A is equals to, inside the curly brackets over here, I'll be providing with the keys and value pairs. So my first key would be name, comma, and its value would be, let's say, John. Right. Each key value pair is separated by a comma, so I'll provide it with a comma and write the next key, that is, let's say, age. I'll put a colon in between and write its value. So if it's an integer, I can directly write it. One more thing about the dictionary, guys, the dictionary can also hold different kinds of data types. Inside the dictionary, you can provide with numerous kinds of data types. Right. I'll put a comma and write gender over here. The gender colon is male. Now if I want to print this dictionary, all I need to do is write print A, and as soon as I run this program, it will print the dictionary for me in with the comma separated values, exactly the same way I have written it. So guys, this is how a dictionary is created. In our next session, we will be learning how looping can be done inside the dictionary, how iteration can be done, how we can iterate each element inside the dictionary. There are different methods for the iteration that we will be learning. So I hope what dictionary is and how to write a dictionary is clear to you. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.